What's up, YouTube? We have an unboxing today, courtesy of my sister Nicole for Christmas and the holidays. So check it out. We're gonna get down. Check it out. My first ever skateboard backpack. That's what's up. I don't even know. So we go like what? We go like what? You get your lab tizzy. Your lab tizzy right there. Boom. Camera bag. Oh, what? What? Oh yeah, I'm a professional skateboarder. Bam. Be like, with that. Oh, and you gotta go skate. Super shout out to Nicole and Larry and Noah and Easton and the Websters. It's awesome. Jackson, he has a jacket coming. It'll be in the mail soon. I'll unbox that. I hope it fits. Say something, Jackson. Say hi to everybody.